everybody, Landon with LMR.com. We got Logan Linley back today. I think this is what, your third dyno now?
Yep.
Third dyno, and this is definitely going to be the best one. We got a little NOS action. I'm just kidding. We got some nitrous going on with his 86 GT on top of some other things that he's done in preparation for the nitrous. So Logan, picking back up from when we previously dynoed it, you went from the AOD to T5, and we'll talk about some numbers here in just a second. What all did you have to do to your car to install the nitrous kit?
Well, I put the cheapo cold air on it so I didn't drill a hole in my factory air breather so I can put the nozzle in there. I put a colder plug in it, gapped it to like 32 thousandths, and other than that, I just ran the lines and everything, ran the system and bolted everything up.
Gotcha. It's a Nitrous Outlet Series X kit.
Yes.
Wet kit. 100 shot, I believe, is what you told me. 100 shot. You also back timing down.
Yes, I back timing down to 10 degrees as well.
For preparation for that nitrous. But as you saw the car previously from the T5 dyno, it's the same except for what he's mentioned. You mentioned headers?
Yes, I put our SVE ceramic Shorty Headers
on it. So kind of factor that in as some performance gains along, obviously, with the nitrous. So you excited for this one?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, well, we won't waste y'all's time. We'll zip over here, make sure we're good to go on the nitrous side of things, make sure it's strapped down, ready to go, and we're gonna make a hit. All right, Logan, what was your guess? Do we need to bring up the previous number just to?
I don't know. I was kind of more leaning on the torque number, kind of seeing what it would make.
What was your torque number?
Gosh, like 360, 380 or something like that. Okay.
So to bring everybody up to speed, Logan's first dyno with the AOD, it made 183.3 horsepower at 4,300 RPM, then 242.7 pound-feet of torque at 3,700 RPM. And then with the T5 swap, we were actually surprised on how much power the car picked up just from the transmission swap. But with the T5, it made 231.6 at 4,400, and then 303.9 pound-feet of torque at 3,600. So we'll jump over here and pull up Logan's first run with the NOS. The nitrous, just kidding. Pretty impressive here, Logan. 316.2 horsepower at 4,100 RPM, and that's a lot of torque. 475.4 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 RPM. Needless to say, I think you were pretty happy with that run, weren't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
And then you kind of had some influence from some of us around here. You were rummaging through your jets to see if you could find a 150 shot.
It's like a baggie of drugs.
Ended up not having the right jets, so we just did another hit with his 100 shot. And then that second hit, car made 313.6 horsepower at 4,100 RPM, and then decent little bump in torque, 492.1 pound-feet at 2,400 RPM. So when we talk about seat of the pants, that's definitely what we're referring to, because all of that torque happens as soon as you put the pedal to the metal. So what do you think of the nitrous? You like it? You happy with it?
Absolutely. I think if you're gonna drag race a car, nitrous is probably the way to go in terms of torque. It's a lot of fun.
It's a handful on the street.
It's a handful, yeah.
You're talking about torque box reinforcements, weren't you? You got those in yet?
Yes, we did the lower SVE torque box reinforcements on it.
Well, what's next for the car? You're always up to something.
Yeah, well, I think all I'm gonna do in its current configuration is I'm gonna put 373s in it. I'm gonna do an intake change, haven't decided on what intake I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna do a 1.7 rocker on it. And I've got underdrive pulleys I gotta put on it too. But that's pretty much it in its current form. So.
Good deal. Well, Logan, it's always a pleasure dynoing your stuff. Love what you're doing. Love seeing the younger crowd into the Fox Mustangs. Let us know down in the comments below what y'all think of Logan's ride. Logan, thanks again.
Thank you.
For letting us dyno it for a third time. Third time's the charm, I guess we can say here, huh? So We're going to sign off. If y'all find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Until we see the next one, for all things Fox Body, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.